So our bag is ready and we have left to attach the strap. What we do, we take one part, put it through the ring right here, and we leave about 1 inch, maybe a bit less, just enough for sewing machine to stitch through, and we clip it, and then we take, I usually go along this strap length to make sure that it won't swirl around. Then we take the buckle, go through like this, and then we go again, and we take the second ring and we go through the second ring, and then we make the loop on the top and go through it and go through it again. Here we go, and this end we will sew to the bottom part, not to the top but to the bottom part of the strap, because we want to be able to adjust it like this. And that's it. Now let's go and stitch it, and the back is done. Ta-da! So here's the strap. We align these sides together because it will be so much better looking. And now we just go like this. Hop. All the threads we leave inside. Come on, go inside. There we go. And we stitch. Also try to make sure that the strap end didn't go much lower or much higher, because it will be visible. No, just straighten this up, and also maybe pull a bit this part and make sure it's all straight. That's it, ready to go. Also, you can stitch it twice, you can stitch it back, it's totally up to you. And the second part, this part. So this is the loop, right? This is the loop, and we stitch the strap not to the adjustable part of the strap, but to the bottom one. And to make sure that you won't mess it up by accident, just make the loop right here, and it will be all very clear where to stitch it. And all the same, you can put it like this. I just like when the end of my stitching is actually on the right. All the same, everything is inside. Make sure it's straight. Also make sure that these sides, they are on the same level, because if this part will slide over the other one, it just will be so homemade, and we want it to be very refined. Okay, now let's go. And back. Okay, our strap is done. We will tie the knots, and that's it. Oh, this is, here we go. This is just, you know, some small part, that's it. So here's my strap, and I kind of like it. Here I didn't like that it got angled a bit right here, because I would love it to be on the same row. So no, thank you. And instead of restitching it on a sewing machine, I will just stitch a bit by hand, and it's just a few stitches, so not a biggie. I just try to keep the same stitch length as my sewing machine did, and that's it. And I do the same with leather. Sometimes I hand stitch if I see that something can be fixed, but it's very small distance to sew. On this side everything is fine, so I will just make one more loop around, and we'll go right here, and with this one I will go right here too. I like to leave the ends somewhere around just in case, so I go like this through the fabric, and I keep some minimal ends inside, you know, just in case, and also just in case, yeah. So here we go.